Hello friend, welcome back to your own channel. So friend, if you have any Samsung Android phone, any model of Samsung, you can unlock your handset at home without any visit of service center and without help of any computer and without help of any FRP codes. So it's known from there are so many comments, there is lots of unlocking complaints in Samsung handset. So this video is very helpful for Samsung viewers. So I will tell you without going to any service center, just to have to follow some simple step with me, and you watch this video without confusing, without a skip. Then you will be able to understand. As you can see that the bottom of the, after swiping this, now you can see emergency call buttons is here. So we have to press here, and we have to into this interface we have to apply some codes for unlocking. So this code is very different, and this is only for Samsung viewers. You can apply along with me. So this code is very different. Now you can see a star has 850075 4438 star 1499 and please press hash. Now we have to call here 5 times. 5 times we have after completing this, please erase all the numbers and go the most and last process. Last and important stage is star hash 899 and please again press hash. Now as you can see, after enter this code, engineer mode page is open. So we have to press manual test button and go with the M sensor button, M sensor option. So please press here and till synchronization 10 to 15 seconds. Come back from here and go with the manual auto test. So test successful. Again we have to press sensor self test and calibration, and there are, now you can see there are two options, and both options are not started. I think operation not started, and this is, you can say this is not in active mode. So we have to active. You can, so first time you can see text passed. So one gyroscope is passed, accelerometer failed, no issue. Come back and go with the other option and press here rewrite important log test. Don't confirm first time and don't confirm in second time. Please confirm in third time and your password is reset. After completing all this process, now it's time to press the home button, and we will see if my handset is unlocked or not. So you can see friend, my phone is unlocked, and without any help of computers and without loss of any applications and without loss of any data. So friend, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like it. See you again with the new tricks in the next video. Bye.